Check out that awesome wall mural. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train store time. I'm in Strasburg, Virginia, and we're gonna try out the Strasburg Hobby store. I think there's trains in there. I'm not sure, but let's go take a look. Look both ways before we cross traffic here. Looks all clear. Strasburg Hobbies. Model trains, RC cars and trucks, slot car train. I said slot car trains, slot car racing. We're at 168 West King Street, Strasburg Hobbies. Go take a look inside. Oh my God, this is cool. I don't see any trains yet, but this is pretty awesome. All these cars. Don't know much about these RC cars, but I think there's electric and gas. Well, this is pretty cool. Oh, check out this boat. Model cars you can build. Oh, I see a little, we got some train stuff coming up. Landscaping. Well, not a lot of trains, but this is still an awesome store for RC cars and trucks. There's a little bit of Cato track for HO. But look at all this. Bronco, Jeep, off-roading. A bunch of tires, rims, wheels. Got rockets. There's an LGB up there. A few Lionel. Some Rail King, but I would probably say this store is about 95% RC. Some more Cato. Oh man, they got a drag strip here. Now this is pretty cool. I could see these trucks and cars climbing up this thing. There's a controller. I'm sure. I'll see if I can get the owner or who's ever working here. Maybe he can show us this. But check out this track. Here's some Proline build your own. Silverado, Ranger, 4Runner. Still going down the track here. Some car parts from some of the race cars probably around here. Workstation. I guess when they have races here, this is all the workstations. Check out this slot car track. We're at the back of the store. Some bathrooms, vending machine, coffee maker. I guess here's where you hook up your controllers. I'm not quite sure. For those of you watching, leave a comment below and tell me what this is here. I think that's what that is. Let's go take a bang. Oh, metal. Paint up your car. Oh, we got a Lionel seat. I guess those cases you can put your car parts and stuff in. Oh, that's pretty cool. Well, I thought these were like toolboxes, but it's a slot car box. You put all your slot cars in. Oh, that's really neat. All right, and your name?
Mike.
And you're the owner of the store? Can you tell me a little bit about your store?
Yeah, Strasburg Hobbies. We've been here for 7 years, located in Strasburg, Virginia. So do a lot of slot car racing, drag racing, oval racing, and then we get into the world of RCs, which we actually have a club for that, Shenandoah Valley No Prep, and that is 10th scale RC drags. So do a lot of that stuff on the weekends too. Yes, sir?
Oh, very good. Yeah, it looks like your store's about 100% RC car and maybe a couple things on trains, and
yeah, a little bit.
That's it. So, and you ship all over the United States?
We do. Yep, absolutely. And we are right beside the post office, so that makes it. I go out one door and into the next, and it's on its way. So we do a lot of eBay too. So keeps us busy. Yep.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. So, all right, guys, Mike's gonna show us how this thing works. Just, what is this? A rock crawler? Is that what you call this, or?
Yep, rock crawler, scaler. Some people call it because it's true 10th scale.
This should be pretty cool. So this is basically right out of the box, and you can go. Oh, it's got sound with it too.
With the exception of the sound, we did add that part of it.
Oh my God, this is cool. Uh-oh. Come on, buddy. Oh man, that is incredible. So what's like the entry price level for something like this?
About $380, I guess, somewhere in that ballpark.
Yeah, so almost 400 for everything.
Yeah, you'll need a battery and a charger. The truck would be $380.
Right.
Then, like I said, you're going to add a battery and a charger. So, yeah, like I said, this truck's box stock, and you can go. It'll go about anywhere you can stick it, and it's pretty impressive. for being out of the box anyway. But you can put lift kits, wheels, tires, all kinds of shocks and things that make it even perform better than what we got going on here right now. Light kits, all kinds of stuff.
Oh man, that is steep.
We can go up it too. I stalled it out. I started back up.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah. But yeah, we'll turn him around. We'll send him up there. The hardest part's probably this. These are like river rocks.
Right.
Kind of slick, but at the same time, it should.
Just showed you how steep this is. This is pretty cool. It's a little slick on river rock though. Look at that. That's cool. What's pretty cool about this is a lot of the parts were made from a gentleman with a 3D printer. And this is for sale, but I'm not sure the price. I think it's around $450. Wow, check out this. This is cool. So he was telling me on some of these controllers, you can buy them that are, of course, going to be a little more expensive. They have more buttons and even do Wi-Fi. And you can put your phones on these because some of these cars, you can add accessories like you can add a winch on here. You can have the lights going. Sky's the limit, so you can run all your programs off your phone and controller at the same time. Well, that was pretty cool. Not a lot of train stuff, but a ton of RC stuff. Cars, a million parts here. Pretty cool. And they also do drag races and slot cars on the weekends, so just check them out on their website. I'll leave a link below. And I think that's going to do it. And we also met the owner, which was a very nice gentleman. So once again, I think that's going to do it. And on that note, Traveler's saying, see you by the racetrack.